Today's topic of discussion is districts of Rajasthan. As you already know that Rajasthan is largest state of India area wise, and it has 33 districts. To know about India's top 10 states area wise with trick, click on the link above. As I already told you that it has 33 districts, people find it difficult to remember all the name of districts. So I am here with a trick which will help you to learn the name of district in a easy way. Here it is. The trick is here. SBI ब्रांच से डैड चित्तौड़गढ़ गए, बस से टोंक 4 बजे पहुंचे, जयपुर के कर्नल डॉक्टर पाली जी हैं. So the trick is in Hindi, and whatever marked in green is unimportant. It is used only to frame the sentence. So you can avoid that gaye, पहुंचे and है. Okay, now come to the mainstream. That is the trick. SBI branch से डैड चित्तौड़गढ़ गए. Now what SBI is? S stands for Sri Ganganagar, BI stands for Bikaner, another B stands for Badmer, R stands for Rajsamand, A stands for Alwar, N stands for Nagaur, C belongs to Churu, H belongs to Hanumangarh. Now S stands for Savai Madhopur, D stands for Dosa, A stands for Ajmer, another D stands for Dungarpur, Chittorgarh is Chittorgarh. Now another sentence, that is bus se Tonk 4 baje पहुंचे. Now 4 baje means this 4 baje is for 4B and 4J. Now you have to remember 4 baje means 4B and 4J. Now listen, BUS, B stands for Bundi, U stands for Udaipur, S stands for Sikka, another S stands for Siroi, Tonk is as it is, you have to learn Tonk. Now 4BJ means 4B and 4J. Now 4B will come first, that is B for Banswada, B for Bhilwada, B for Bharatpur, B for Bara. Now another 4J. Now that is J for Jalawad, J for Junjunu, J for Jodhpur, J for Jhalor. So here our second sentence ends. Now the third sentence is JP के कर्नल डॉक्टर पाली जी हैं. Now JP, by JP we can have two districts. One is Jaipur, another is P for Pratapgarh. Now K stands for Kota, Colonel belongs to Karoli, DR belongs to Dholpur, DR that is the doctor belongs to Dholpur, Pali belongs to Pali, Pali same as Pali, JI stands for Jaisalmer. So our trick completes. So you can go through the trick and it will help you to learn the 33 districts of Rajasthan. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, hit the like button. It will help us to move forward, and subscribe us so that you can watch more new videos. Thank you.